In this video we learn AutoCAD commands and setting. 1. MI, command for mirror objects. 2. Polygon, command for polygon. 3. REC, command for rectangle. Mirror creates a mirrored copy of selected objects. You can create objects that represent half of a drawing, select them, and mirror them across a specified line to create the other half. Select objects, use an object selection method and press Enter to finish. Specify first point of mirror line, specify a point. Specify second point of mirror line, specify a point. The two specified points become the endpoints of a line about which the selected objects are mirrored. For mirroring in 3D, this line defines a mirroring plane perpendicular to the XY plane of the user coordinate system, UCS, containing the mirror line. Erase source objects. Yes/no N, enter Y or N, or press Enter. Yes. Places the mirrored image into the drawing and erases the original objects. No. Places the mirrored image into the drawing and retains the original objects. Polygon. The following prompts are displayed. Enter number of sides current, enter a value between 3 and 1024 or press Enter. Specify a point, 1, or enter E. Center of polygon. Defines the center of the polygon. Enter an option inscribed in circle/circumscribed about circle current, enter I or C or press Enter. Inscribed in circle. Specifies the radius of a circle on which all vertices of the polygon lie. Specify radius of circle, specify a point, 2, or enter a value. Specifying the radius with your pointing device determines the rotation and size of the polygon. Specifying the radius with a value draws the bottom edge of the polygon at the current snap rotation angle. Circumscribed about circle. Specifies the distance from the center of the polygon to the midpoints of the edges of the polygon. Specify radius of circle. Specify a distance. Specifying the radius with your pointing device determines the rotation and size of the polygon. Specifying the radius with a value draws the bottom edge of the polygon at the current snap rotation angle. Rectangle. Creates a rectangular polyline. With this command, you can specify the rectangle parameters: length, width, rotation, and control the type of corners. Fillet. Chamfer, or square. List of prompts. The following prompts are displayed. Current settings, rotation equals 0. Specify first corner point. Specify a point or enter an option. First corner point specifies a corner point of the rectangle. Other corner point creates a rectangle using the specified points as diagonally opposite corners. Area creates a rectangle using the area and either a length or a width. If the chamfer or fillet option is active, the area includes the effect of the chamfers or fillets on the corners of the rectangle. Dimensions creates a rectangle using length and width values. Rotation. Creates a rectangle at a specified rotation angle. Chamfer. Sets the chamfer distances for the rectangle. Elevation. Specifies the elevation of the rectangle. Fillet. Specifies the fillet radius of the rectangle. Thickness. Specifies the thickness of the rectangle. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.